Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally across the weekend. A rally in the global markets, strong domestic fund inflows, and declining oil prices are likely to enhance our domestic market. To start with our first segment for Monday, 30th September 2024, Nifty index opened positive and steadily slipped throughout the day after touching a fresh all-time high of 26,277. It held on to its crucial support of 26,150 and closed with losses. It formed a small-bodied bearish candle on the daily frame but a strong bullish candle on the weekly frame. It has been making higher highs from the last 7 weeks. India VIX was slightly down to 11.96. Nifty put-call ratio decreased and settled at 1.16. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,700 to 26,700, while immediate range is in between 26,000 to 26,400. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 1,209 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 6,887 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 81.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 26,150 for an up move towards 26,350, then 26,500, while supports can be seen at 26,100, then 26,000 zones. Bank Nifty has to hold above 53,750 for an up move towards 54,250, then 54,467, while on the downside, support can be seen at 53,500 mark. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive stance was seen in oil and gas, chemicals and fertilizers, pharma, auto, IT, selective banks and FMCG names. Now, stocks to keep on radar, positive setup was seen in some of the oil and gas space stocks, which includes IOC, Reliance and GAIL. From the capital goods, we have Siemens, ABB, Grasim, Cummins India and Polycab. From the pharma bat, we have Cipla, Sun Pharma and Divi's Lab. From the NBFC space, Bajaj Finserv is holding on to the higher zones with a good breakout. From the auto and auto ancillary pack, Bosch Limited, MRF, Motherson and TVS Motor look quite promising. From the consumption name, we have UBL, Kolpal, Titan, Pidilite and Indigo, while some weakness could be seen in Godrej CP, IEX, Vsoft and NTTS. Wish you a super trading day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.